Let's pack an order for Tonda. Okay, first on her list is one of our Lunar Cats, and I believe that one is F. That's a white jade, and she grabbed this banded onyx. Oh, it's so pretty. I love these. I have a bunch more coming in, hopefully next month. Next up, we're coming to the bracelets section, and she got a clear garden quartz with some inclusions. She actually got 2 of these. And I have marker on my hand. Next, we are going to the wintry holiday section. She got a mini reindeer. She actually got 2 of these. It looks like a Uper light. These are UV reactive. I like this little guy. And she got an orange calcite or a sunstone. Let's grab this one. Oh, it's so sparkly. A cute order. And of course we're gonna give her pop rocks and some sticker goodies. And actually I missed, she got a second order with a Montana agate. Let me see. Another bracelet. And this is actually her 5th order with us, so I'm gonna get her something special. I have these little baby gnomes. Let me see, she definitely got some white items. I'm gonna include a little baby gnome. And because I know she has ordered 3 of those cats, I know she loves cats, so I'm gonna give her a little pre-Halloween witchy cat. Thank you so much, Tonda. And last is a note from me. Bye.